Okay, so today you're going to look at how you can combine terms and then solve. So if you haven't done this yet, I need you to go get a calculator and scratch paper. So go get scratch paper and a calculator. So hit pause and go do that. And and when you get back, you're going to copy the examples on your paper. All right, so hopefully you hit pause and you got a piece of scratch paper. So we are going to be doing some combining and then solving today. So combine means bring things together. So here's our first example. 2a plus 3a plus 4 equals 34. So you notice our expression has an a term here and it has an a here. So there's two terms with a. So we are going to combine them, meaning we're going to put them together. So we're going to take these two terms and put them together. So if I have 2a plus 3a, that means I'm going to have 5a, like apples. If I have 2 apples plus 3 apples, I have 5 apples. And then, now that those are combined, so these ones are combined, we can say 5a plus 4 equals 34. Now our problem is like what we've been doing. So now we have our variable is a. So now we have plus 4. The opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. And those cancel. 34 minus 4 is 30 equals 5a. And this is multiply, so the opposite of multiply is divide. So I divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 leaves me with just 1a. 30 divide by 5, remember this is divide, is 6. So a is 6. So our first step was we combined. All right, let's look at another one. So let's copy this example down. Let's say we have 8w minus 7 minus 6w equals 9. So which ones look the same or are the same term that we can combine? If we look, we have 8a here, or 8w, and then here we have 6w, but you have to be careful because there's a minus 6w. So it has a minus in front of it. So when we combine, we're not switching sides, we're just combining. So 8 minus 6, we get 2w. And then we have, so after we combine those, we have minus 7 equals 9. So 2w minus 7 equals 9. Now we're back to our original type of problem. So we have minus 7. The opposite of minus 7 is plus 7. Plus 7. Cancel. 2w equals 9 plus 7 is 16. 2w, that means multiply, so we do the opposite, we divide. 16 divided by 2 is 8. All right, let's try another one. So this one I'm going to try a little bit different. Let's say we have 6 equals 2m plus m plus 15. Now this one is switched. See, over this side, on the right side, I have my variables, but we still do this the same way. So we have m, 2m, and then we have m. So these go together. These two we're going to combine into one term. And what you need to remember is that if it's m, there's an imaginary or an invisible 1. Remember, it's invisible, so that's an invisible 1. So 2 plus 1 gives me 3m. And here I have plus 15 equals 6. So now we have to look at our variable is still m, and I just have one term with the variable, and I have plus 15. So to get rid of plus 15, the opposite is minus 15 here, and with the 6, and these ones cancel. And 6 minus 15, so they're different signs, so I'm going to subtract. You can use your calculator, so you could put that in the calculator. 6 minus 15 is going to give me negative 9 equals 3m. Our last step, this 3m means multiply. The opposite of multiply is divide. Cancel. I have m equals negative 3. It's negative because 9 had the negative. If there's one signal when you're dividing, your answer is negative. All right, let's try one more, just to make sure. Let's try this. 6a minus 3a minus 5 equals 7. If you want, you can pause and see if you can get the answer, and then watch my steps when you're done. The first thing we're going to do is combine our 6a and our 3a, but it's minus, so it's 6 minus 3, so that's 3a. 6 apples minus 3 apples is 3 apples. And then minus 5 equals 7. The opposite of minus is plus. So I'm going to do plus 5. So I have 3a equals 7 plus 5 is 12. Now this is multiply, so we do the opposite, which is divide by. So divide by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. My answer is 4. All right, what I need you to do now is I need you to stop the video, and you're going to go to Canvas, and you're going to get the quiz done that has problems like this so that you make sure you know what you're doing.